Dear students, welcome to the video lecture session on thermal power station, that is steam power station under module 2. Today I am going to discuss the steam turbines. As earlier I have discussed in hydropower plant turbines, impulse turbine and reaction turbines. Similarly here also I am going to discuss in the steam turbines. Okay, how the mechanical power is generated with help of steam. Now I am going to discuss. Okay, let us begin with the types. Okay, there are two types. Okay, generally there are two types. One is impulse and the other one is reaction. In impulse turbines, what it will happens, the steam expands in the stationary nozzles and attain a higher velocity potential energy in steam due to pressure, and internal energy is converted to kinetic energy. Okay, so here I will show you one figure. This is a turbine. This called buckets are turbine blades. Fixed nozzle, stationary nozzle, and steam it will be comes from this nozzle. Okay, the steam jets in a impulse turbines are directed by the fixed nozzle at the turbine's bucket shaped rotor blades, where the force is exerted by the jets causes the rotor to turn, in the direction as I shown now. Okay, so what it will be happens when the steam is striking to these blades of the turbine, the velocity of the steam is reduced as it imparts its kinetic energy to the blade. Okay, this is a very important point. Please note it. What it will be happens, the velocity of the steam is reduced as imparts its kinetic energy to the blade. Okay. Next, what it will be happens, the blade change the direction of flow of the steam at this change of momentum corresponds to the increased moment of rotor. Okay, increased moment of rotor. Okay, so this is the information related to the steam turbine. Let us few more informations. Steam impulse turbines usually operates at extremely high speed in terms of 30,000 rpms or more, and are thus subject to enormous centrifugal force. Okay, so one more figure I will show you here. This is the figure which it will be shown. Okay, nozzle, okay, moving blades, casing, this is rotor, shaft. Okay, so this is how the steam which it will be flows, it will be shown here. Okay, and finally it will be comes to the exhaust. And one more view of the impulse turbine. We can easily, in this figure we can easily understand how it will be works, right? So steam it will be enters the turbine rotor. Okay, and these are the blades inside. Here it is not marked. Okay, here it is there, turbine blades. Once again I will show you here, turbine blades. What it will be happens, it will be developing mechanical power. Okay, this drive shaft is coupled to the alternator. This drive shaft is coupled to the alternator, and alternator will be receives mechanical power and generates electrical power, and finally it will be the exhaust steam. Okay, steam it will be enters. This is leaving, means after developing the mechanical power outlet, it will be goes to the exhaust steam. Next one is reaction turbine. Here I will show you figure. Okay, reaction already I have discussed. Due to the reaction action, the mechanical power it will be generates. Okay, in this what it is there, both the fixed and rotor blades of the reaction turbines are shaped more like aerofoils, arranged such that the cross section of the blades diminishes from the inlet, side towards the exhaust side of the blade. So here you can see this is the blades. Okay. Here there is one very important point we can note it. Let us have first glance over fixed blades, rotating blades. Okay, in the reaction steam turbines, fixed blades, rotating blades, shaft and steam. You can come to know that how it will be flows the steams here. Okay. Both fixed and rotating blades. Okay. And one more very important difference is in reaction turbines has no nozzle. Okay. So a practical in this type of turbines has fixed and moving blades. Okay, a partial drop of pressure is used to allow the steam into the moving blades. I repeat here, a partially drop of pressure is used to allow the steam into moving blades. The pressure is gradually reduced in the blades as the steam passes through them. What it will be happens? The pressure is gradually reduced in the blades as the steam is passes through them. Okay, so what it will be happens? The mechanical power which it will be develops when it will be passing through these blades. Okay, this is another one figure. Here it will be gives the difference how it will be the steam pressure will be reduced. Okay, steam velocity graph also shown. Impulse turbine and impulse turbines and okay, impulse turbine, reaction turbines. Okay, moving blades and rotor. Okay, here the steam pressure how it will be drops and steam velocity. Okay, when it will be passing through these blades, it creates the reactions force which rotates the rotor of turbine. Okay, I hope this much information is uh, important for this much information is important related to the steam turbines. Okay, okay, thank you.